Introducing the PowerPack Slim, the thinnest and lightest power bank we've ever made. So slim you'll barely feel its presence, yet always there to give you that much needed power boost. The PowerPack Slim is available in midnight black and crisp white. Today I'll be taking you through a quick unboxing and tutorial of the crisp white. Let's jump in. Upon unboxing the PowerPack Slim, the first thing you'll be greeted with is the user manual as well as the SnapMag ring, which I'll touch on later in the video. Next, you'll uncover the sleek PowerPack Slim, finished with finger-resistant, smooth matte finish on the front and a textured matte finish on the back, offering a delightful touch experience. Lastly, you'll see the included braided USB-C cable, which can be used to recharge your PowerPack Slim with ease. Activating it is effortlessly simple. Just press the power button located at the bottom of the unit. Upon clicking, the LED lights activate, signaling that the PowerPack Slim is powered on. Each illuminated light represents a 25% charge, giving you a clear view of your power levels at a glance. Charging your smartphone with the PowerPack Slim is both simple and convenient. You're equipped with two choices. Opt for the ease of wireless charging or go traditional with a wired connection using the USB-C port. Let's start with the cable-free charging experience. The PowerPack Slim features a MagSafe compatible charging zone on its front, capable of supporting 15-watt fast Qi charging. Designed to support both Apple and Android smartphones, it ensures your device stays powered with minimal fuss. Simply snap on the PowerPack Slim to the back of your phone and enjoy instant charging. For those without a MagSafe compatible device, our SnapMag cases or the included SnapMag ring are the perfect solutions to bridge the gap. Next, let's explore the versatile USB-C port located at the bottom of the PowerPack Slim. This dual-purpose port is designed for both input and output, allowing you to charge any USB-C enabled devices or effortlessly recharge the PowerPack Slim itself. First, we'll look at how you can charge extra devices using the USB-C port through its fast-charging 18-watt power delivery. Simply plug one end of your own USB-C cable into the PowerPack Slim and the other end into your chosen device to begin charging. To recharge the battery within the PowerPack Slim, plug one end of the included USB-C cable into it and the other end into a charging adapter. While connected, the LED lights located on the bottom will continuously flash to indicate that it's charging. And there you have it, a full walkthrough and tutorial of the PowerPack Slim. If you have any further questions regarding your new charger, simply head over to our help center and our team will be able to assist. Thank you and we'll see you next time.